कुछ भी अंदर हो वो छिप जाता है, अव्यक्ति दिखाई देते हैं, अथक दिखाई देते हैं और रिमार्क लिख के जाते हैं कि यहाँ तो हर एक रिश्ता लग रहा है। और ये विशेषता बहुत अच्छी है जो उस समय विशेष विल पावर आ जाती, सेवा की चमक आ जाती। और ये सर्टिफिकेट तो बाप दादा देता है, बहुत अच्छा। बाप दादा भी उस समय चक्कर लगाने आता है, पता नहीं पड़ता है आप लोगों को, लेकिन बाप दादा चक्कर लगाने आता है। और ये विशेषता मधुबन की और आगे बढ़ती जाएगी। देश विदेश की साकार स्वरूप में या सूक्ष्म स्वरूप में मिलन बनाने वाले सर्व स्वराज अधिकारी आत्माओं को सदा इस श्रेष्ठ अधिकार को अपने जलन और चेहरे से प्रत्यक्ष करने वाले विशेष आत्माएं सदा बाप दादा को हर कदम में फॉलो करने वाले, सदा मानव को स्वच्छ और बुद्धि को क्लियर रखने वाले ऐसे सुतह तीव्र पुरुषार्थी आत्माओं को सदा साथ रहने वाले और साथ चलने वाले डबल लाइट बच्चों को बाप दादा का याद प्यार और नमस्ते।
माता पिता सद्गुरु सखा तुम्हें तो एक हमारे हो, शिक्षक तुम्हें रक्षक तुम्हें दिल के तुम्हें सहारे हो, मिला सारे रिश्तों का प्यार तुमसे।
ओम शांति।
Today's topic is relationship of karma. Avyat signal. Because a karma yogi soul will always be a detached observer in every action. He will not have any karmic bondage through any actions. Because the fruit of action is elevated, they come into relationship of karma, not into bondage. While performing actions, they always experience themselves to be detached and loving to the Father. Such detached and loving souls, even today, are an example in front of many souls. That is, they become an example, and seeing them, many other souls automatically become karma yogis. Now we'll listen from Moini Didi. It is through karma that there is a relationship, and also it could be a bondage. First and foremost, the soul operates through the body. Currently, whether this relationship, whether it's a relationship or a bondage, if there is a bondage, while we're performing action, when we become a detached observer and do all our actions, this is a relationship, how we'll use the body, how the soul uses the body. Many times it happens either because of the environment or vibrations or atmosphere. Even if something happens in the body, because there is a bondage of the body, and along with that, if we become a detached observer, being detached and loving in remembrance of Baba, so Baba uses even that kind of a body and gets many tasks and services done. But the attention has to be on. There should always be a relationship with the body, not a bondage of the body. Think about it a little bit. There is money, there is relationship, there is material, there's the body. I need to check. With all of these elements, do I have a bondage or a relationship? When there is a relationship, there is happiness. And if there is a bondage, then there is sorrow. Some people ask, how do I know if I have love or an attachment? Do I have love or attachment? When you have extra or more thoughts, then it is an attachment. And when you have love and you suddenly start to experience sorrow, if something happens to that person, you feel sad, then it is a bondage. When Brahma Baba became Avyakt, and you all know that at a very young age, we came to Baba. Baba adopted us, and we grew up with him. So you have more love with Brahma Baba than the Lokik parents. So that time we didn't know the word Avyakt, that he's gone to the subtle regions. So it was almost 12:45 in the night. And I still remember someone knocked on the door and they said, Brahma Baba has gone to the subtle regions, has become perfect. And I still have that experience that there was absolute silence within. I don't think there was a wave of sorrow for even a moment. No, otherwise you'll have that, array, who's going to take care of us? There can be a lot of thoughts, but I didn't have any thoughts because it was a spiritual relationship, and this was a proof of that spiritual relationship. And for 2-3 days it took before the cremation was done. Bhog was offered on 21st of January, and everybody was seated, and Dadi Gulzar offered Bhog to Baba. And when she was sharing this the message, for 1 second, for a few moments, who were in the first row, our eyes became moist. So Brahma Baba's daughter Nirmal Shanta Dadi, she came in the front and sat on the gati. She said, Baba has not given us this permission to cry. And we can't cry. He's not given us the permission. Baba will not accept this. But it was just for a minute or so, and then everybody settled and quieted. Whether this relationship is of here or anywhere, but there should not be any sorrow. So it's only because of sorrow, attachment will lead to sorrow. And we love everyone, but have spiritual love, soul conscious love. not because of a relationship. This is my brother, this is my sister, my father. No. So when they see, they will feel that they have become angels and they're still taking care of us. Mhm. I have two or three sisters and a brother, and I feel that they are playing their part. But internally, I've never had a wave of sorrow. As you continue to build spiritual relationship, you'll have lots of love. And when you need, they will be there. They'll become cooperating. They'll be caring, but you will not experience sorrow. So now we have to only try that with everyone we should have a lot of love, but spiritual love. And in spiritual love, what is there? Then you can give a lot and you will not experience sorrow. So that's why Baba is saying, what state should we have? A karma yogi soul. That means you're doing every action in Baba's remembrance, because a karma yogi soul will always be a detached observer in every action. He will not, for whatever he does for them, for the own body or for others, by being a detached observer, he will not have any karmic bondage through any actions, because the fruit of action is elevated. The fruit of action is elevated. They come into relationship of karma, not into bondage. So what does Baba say? While performing action, they always experience themselves to be detached and loving to the Father. They experience themselves to be detached and loving to the Father. Such detached and loving souls, even today, are an example in front of many souls. That is, they become an example, and seeing them, many other souls automatically become karma yogis. The others also will have inspiration. So we need to be detached and loving, detached and loving, detached observer, detached and loving. One is the intellect understands, but when we come into interaction, we need to have both these stages. Whether it's the stage of being a detached observer or being detached and loving. So, what is our homework for tomorrow? Detached observer. You're seeing, you're seeing, but just as Baba is a detached and loving. So, that is also an example. So, you become an example and it becomes an inspiration for others. So, the more inspiring you become, they will become cooperative in Baba's task and also to you. So, relationship of karma. Om Shanti. So, Avyakt Murli Revision since 1969, Jewels of Knowledge and Pearls of Love.
ओम शांति अव्यक्त वाणी तारीख
Om
है
Shanti.
23 जून 1973
The date is 23rd of June 1973. Master of the Alokik Treasure.
कि विश्व कल्याण
You think
है
that you are the world benefactors,
बोल
but
और कर्म
there
में
is a difference in your words and action.
तो तीनों ही समान
When all three are the same, It is known as intense effort, that is, being as equal to the Father. So, are you giving yourself time to make yourself equal to the Father? Will all the elephant riders, the cavalry, and the infantry, that is, the people of the spiritual army, be revealed after 6 months? Until you have revealed yourself to one another, how can you be revealed to the world? And if you're not revealed to the world, how would glorification take place? So, in order to reveal the Self and the Father, and in order to bring about the glorification of the Father, what is the last of effort, that is the last so fast effort that still remains to be made? What is the fast effort? This fast effort, which is the last effort. What is the fast effort? The fast effort, which is the last effort.
जो फास्ट ही लास्ट है इसको जानते हो कौन सा पुरुषार्थ सामने आता है
Do you know what this
कौन सी
is?
पुरुषार्थ की विधि कौन
What
सी
effort
है
comes in front of
कि
you?
जिससे बाप समान
What is
बन
the method
जाएंगे
of making fast
यहाँ
effort
सिद्धि
through
होगी
which you will become
बिना
equal to
विधि
the
के
Father,
सिद्धि नहीं हो
through
सकती
which you will attain
बहुत
the
बार
success?
सुनाया है
You cannot attain
सिर्फ एक
success
शब्द है
without the right method.
लास्ट सो
You have been
फास्ट
told this many
पुरुषार्थ
times.
की विधि है
It is just
प्रतिज्ञा
one word. The
कोई भी
method
बाप
of the
की
last
प्रतिज्ञा
and so
करे
fast
कि
is just
यह
one
करना
word,
ही नहीं
a
है
promise.
यह
To make a
अभी
promise
करना
in
है
any one aspect
प्रतिज्ञा
that
की
you must
विधि
not
यह
do
है
this or that you
कि
now have to
लास्ट
do
इज
this,
फास्ट
the method of a
प्रतिज्ञा
promise is that
अर्थात
last
संकल्प
is
किया
fast. To
और
make a
स्वरूप
promise
हुआ
means you have a
प्रतिज्ञा
thought
करने में
and you
सेकंड
become
लगता
the
है
form of that.
तो अब
It
फास्ट
takes a
पुरुषार्थ
second
एक
to
सेकंड का
make a
ही होना
promise.
चाहिए
So now the
ये
fast
भी सुनाया
effort
था
should be of
कि
1 second
ही जब
only,
रिजल्ट आउट होना
because
है
you were told that the
लास्ट पेपर
result of
का
the last
समय क्या
paper
मिलेगा
is to be
एक
announced.
सेकंड
How much time will you be given for the
लास्ट
last
पेपर का
paper?
टाइम भी फिक्स है
You will be
और
given an
नंबर भी
order
फिक्स है
to become a
पहले
conqueror of
सुनाया
attachment
था
in one
नष्ट मोहा
second.
स्मृति
And
स्वरूप
if you do not become a
एक
conqueror of
सेकंड में ऑर्डर
attachment
हुआ
and an embodiment
नष्ट
of
मोहा
remembrance in
हुआ
1 second,
तो एक
if you
सेकंड
lose
में
the
अर्थ
time in
नष्ट
making
मोहा
yourself the embodiment
स्मृति
and in
स्वरूप
battling,
न बने
if you
अपने
lose
को
time
स्वरूप
in
बनाने
stabilizing your intellect,
अर्थात युद्ध
then
करने
what would
में
happen?
समय
You
गवाने
would
में
fail. You will
अपने
only
मन को
receive the time
ठिकाने
of
लगाने में
1 second.
समय
You're
लगाने
even
में
now also
तो
hearing the
क्या हो
question.
जाएंगे
And
फिर
since you have all
तो
heard
समय
the
भी
paper
एक
in
सेकंड का
advance,
मिलना
how
है
many of you should
यह भी
pass
पहले ही
with
सुने
the method
हैं
of fast
पेपर
effort
भी
of
पहले
making a
सुनाए
promise?
हैं
Reveal
तो कितने
yourself,
पास होने
reveal
चाहिए
the Father, that
पास
is,
पुरुषार्थ की विधि
with a
है
promise, bring about the
प्रतिज्ञा
glorification.
प्रतिज्ञा
Is
से
this
अपने को
difficult?
प्रख्यात करो
Courage and
बाप को
enthusiasm,
प्रख्यात करो और
intoxication and the
प्रतिज्ञा
goal.
से
If you
प्रतिष्ठा करो
constantly keep
यह
these with
मुश्किल
you,
है क्या
then
संबंध उदास
as in
और
many
नशा
kalpas
हमेशा
you
अगर
have
समान साथ
already
रखेंगे
fully passed.
तो अनेक
The
कल्प
rest
के
of the Murli
समान फुल
we'll
पास
hear
हुए ही
tomorrow.
पड़े हैं
Om Shanti.
अच्छा आगे की मुरली कल सुनेंगे ओम शांति